Welcome back. We're now in the IM console for Amazon SES, and what we're going to do is we're going to click Users, and then we're going to create a new user. So we're going to give this user a name, and we're going to grant programmatic access. And then we're going to click Next. And we're then going to attach existing policies directly. What we're going to do now is we're going to write in SES. We're going to give full access, and then we're going to click Review. Once we do that, we're then going to click Create User. We're now going to take our access key and our secret access key, and we're going to place them inside of WordPress. We're then going to click Save Changes. We're then going to come down to our confirmed senders. We're going to click Add this email. We'll then need to go to our email box in order to confirm. We'll then confirm the email address. Once we do that, we should be able to refresh the page. And our confirmation message then goes away. We will then turn on WP SES. And now our WordPress emails will be sent with Amazon SES. And we now have our test message. If we look at the from email address, it is the one that we expect. And we are now ready to expect higher deliverability with our notification emails. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.